Hi, I'm David Bennett with AAA. As we're all spending a lot more time at home nowadays, we thought it'd be a good idea to go over some basic car maintenance tips. So let's look at your wiper blades. The first thing you want to look at is whether or not they're just laying down, are they brittle, or are they torn? They're very easy to replace, and really the easiest way to do that is to pop this cap off, and then they slide straight down. But you need to be careful that this doesn't fall down and hit anything. So one thing you want to think about with wiper blades is they're not all the same size for each vehicle. So on this vehicle we have two different sizes. So you want to make sure that you measure them properly. If not, when you go to the auto parts store, look it up in the book and make sure you get the right size wiper blades for your specific vehicle. So when you're ready to put them on, all you do is slide this in, just like you took it off, and then slide it up. It locks into place, and fold it down. So one of the things that most people do is they forget about the rear windshield wiper. So you want to make sure that you replace this one as well. And if you take a look at it, you can see this one is really torn and worn very badly. So you want to go ahead and have this replaced. For the last fluid level we want to check is your windshield washer fluid. That's always designated by a blue cap. You can open it, look down, see if you can see any, and if you don't, you just go ahead and top it off until it becomes visual at the top. If you're not comfortable doing a free pour, you can always use a funnel.